Hello YouTube, this is Momiji-san, and today we are going to play some Flappy Bird. Leave a comment suggesting what I should play next. Anyways, here we go. I've never touched it. I've never played this. This is my first time. I've had it on my tablet forever, and I've never even touched it. Anyways, here we go. Well, this game seems kind of pointless. Whoa. Ah, fuck. Well. Wait, what the fuck was that? Oh. Never mind. This game seems pretty easy. I don't see why they took it off the App Store. I don't know. Yeah, this game is kind of addicting, actually. Not. Ah, fuck. Well, I made it to 12. Better than my first attempt. Anyways, here we go. Come on, you... Is that fucking flying orange? Or lemon? I mean, seriously, what the fuck is that? Nah, fuck. Well, I am already impressed by this game. It's already stole Mario's world in multiple fucking ways. And the characters are gay. And it's hard. Don't see how everybody's addicted to this. But, yeah, I'm glad I tried this. I'll do another episode if you guys want. I mean, I've got nothing better to do. So, if y'all want, just leave a suggestion. Or just ask for more of this. Ah, fuck! For Christ's sake. I have no idea how long this video has been already. You flappy motherfucker. Son of a bitch. One more try, guys. And this is the last time, alright? I'm already bored with this game. How in the hell did this become one of the top fucking games? See? This is the gayest fucking game ever. I'm done. Alright? I can't do this. Leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment below and tell me what I should play next. Thank you. Fuck this game and bye.